Take your business application to the next level with our team of application experts. Ensure application security and cloud cost control whilst we help you launch with global scale. Auto-scaling as the demand rises with the auto-allocation of computing power, so that your business application is always performing at its best. Cost management with direct management to an environment monitoring portal that shows you a detailed cost per resource breakdown. Global reach with Microsoft AppSource and Azure Marketplace commercial platforms. Expert advice, focused on strong cloud computing, resource optimization, and cost savings at the forefront of the conversation. Integrated security, with an automatic reliance on Microsoft Azure security, privacy, and compliance standards. Take the leap and soar with Microsoft Cloud and Foresight. Visit our page for a free environment analysis.